Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the WebP Image Optimizer app for your Shopify store. Today I will walk you through the complete process from creating your account to testing it on your live store. This app is perfect for converting your product images to next-gen WebP format, reducing file size up to 98% and speeding up page load, saving bandwidth and boosting your site's SEO and mobile performance. With the latest update, the setup is now even simpler and faster. I have already installed the app, so let's just open the app and do the setup. So this is a homepage of WebP Image Optimizer app. First, you need to create an account by going into this icon, enter username and email. And click on create an account. That's it, account has been created successfully. Currently my plan is premium. Let's move back to this home page. Here you can see image optimization dashboard, from where you can check everything. How many images are total there, how many optimized, how many spacing saved, how many average savings, etc. Also you can check WebP images, JPG, how many JPG images, how many PNG images, format analysis, and also you can check the storage analysis as well. Let's move to the settings now. Here as you can see there are two settings. First you have to set is license and status, serial key which will be automatically generated once you create an account, and optimization quality of the image you want to set. Currently I have set the 80. Next is image editor defaults. Here you can check all the settings related to the image editor. For example, default scale, default rotation, default brightness, contrast, saturation, brush color and brush size. Let's click on the next. Next setting is storefront conversation settings. This controls how images appear to your customers. First of all, enable WebP conversation. You have to set enabled. Quality of the image is 80. Lazy load image, enable for better initial page speed. Images load only when it's viewport, and exclude selectors. Add CSS selectors if you want to skip certain images, for example .no WebP, .no WebP. Leave blank for full coverage. That's it. After all the changes, click save settings to apply everything. This store for conversation settings which allow your original JPG or PNG files remain unchanged in Shopify admin and product media, and it will automatically convert your images to the WebP format. And this admin conversation settings are for manual optimization. This settings page is done. Now let's move to the product WebP converter. Here as you can see, you will get the list of all the images available in your products. We have 1191 images in total. Quality is 80% and status is enabled. You can search from image name, file details, alter text, etc. And there are 4 types of status: pending, optimized, processing and failed. If you want to optimize single image, you just have to click in this optimize button and your image will be converted to the WebP format. As you can see, product image optimized successfully. You can check that in this optimized filter. That's it. You can preview the image as well by clicking on this preview button. Before optimization and after optimization, total savings and type of the product. You can also see original format as well and status of this image. Now if you want to edit the image, then you just have to click on this edit button. You can also set image name or change your image name as well in here. You can also set alter text and quality of the image. By default 80% as we have set on the storefront settings. You can change as however you want. Add alter text. Next is crop and transform. You can crop the image as well from here. And click on apply crop. So crop has worked successfully. You can also change the scale, rotation as well. Next setting is adjustments. By default setting is 100% as we have set on this admin configuration. Saturation, contrast and brightness you can set from here. Next is draw and annotate. You can also add any drawing in here as well. You can select the brush color from here and brush size from here. Currently 5 pixel, you can increase or decrease as well. And you can clear the drawing from here as well. That's it. If you don't want any changes, you can reset your settings from here as well and click on save. Edited variant image optimized successfully. You can check from the optimize section as well. As you can see, image is optimized. You can also check this image in the product edit as well, where image actually render. As you can see in the cycling gloves, our updated image has been added and replaced from the original image. Details is WebP. That's how you can optimize image singly. If you want to optimize multiple images altogether, all you have to do is click on multiple images here or here and just click on this optimize all button. This will allow you to optimize multiple images from this current page. If you want to optimize multiple images, bulk optimization, then you have to go to this bulk optimization tab. Here you will get the list of how many images are already optimized and how many are ready to optimize. There are two types, sequential processing and bulk processing. Use sequential processing if you have very less images, and use bulk processing if you have multiple images. Currently we have up to 1K images, so we can use bulk processing here. You just have to click on this start optimization button. That's it, and it will start this optimization of all the images. That's it. All the settings from here have been done. Now let's check on the live store. Let's go to this product page. Let's see images are in which format. As you can see, images are in WebP format. So it's working successfully. You can check any image, any JPG or PNG images. It all be converted to this WebP format. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.